Hello, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to see credit number 3 in that forest resources, plantation and the social forestry. We have completed 2 credit from the our subject. Today we are going to see credit number 3 forest and the its resources, social forestry or the importance of a forest in a human being or the human society. Let's say myself Mukul Barwant, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Sanjeevani Arts Commerce Science College, Kopargaon. Let's see forest as a resources of India in past and the future. As we know, forest it is a large amount of area of plants of wildlife, plants and animals that are living in that area that is considered as forest. But it day by day its position, its structure, its nature are changing due to the human activity. So we have a different way to study the forest past and the forest future. Forest is a resource in India relate to the distinctive topography, terrain, wildlife, climate and vegetation of the country. Forest resources in India have always been one of the richest resources. Forests provide renewable natural resources and contribute considerable to the economic development of the nation. A forest plantation comprises a vital part of the forest resources. Most of the wood produced in India that obtained from the forest reserves. The forest is a resource of a country are unsigned in a nature and composition. Since the nation was once covered the dense forest, the history is a mention of this forest. The people are honor of the forest of a large number of religious ceremonies focus on the trees and the plants. Their early reference dates back to around 4,000 years. Agni Purnastat, that man should be protect the forest resources, have a material gain and the religious blessing. Around 2500 years ago, Lord Buddha preached and that man should be a plant tree of every 5 years. Okay, that is nothing but the forest history and the forest resources. Forest it is nothing but one renewable resources production source. Then importance of resources in India. What are the importance of forest resources? During early 1990, about the 17% of forest resources in India land were dense the forest land. However, as around 50% of land was infertile, the total region under the productive forest was nearly 35 million hectares. That around 10% of total land area of the country. With the increasing demand of the growing population of the country, requirement of forest resources also increases. All the resulted that is continuing the demolition of a forest around the experience of a heavy rainfall. Many forests were a region of a high altitude and some of them are the inaccessible. Around the 20% of total area under the forest is the state of Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Orissa, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. Forest vegetation is a diverse and really large in a country. Like for the instance of there are nearly 600 species of a hardwood, sal, teak. These are the principal species of a forest. Then uses of forest. Forest are the different uses. First, they are producing the renewable sources, plants and animals. Okay, that having the we have to know that the plants and animals are how are useful for the human. First, see the commercial uses. Commercial uses, forest provide the large number of commercial goods include the timber, firewood, pulpwood, food items, gum, resin, non-edible oil, rubber, lac, bamboo, fodder, medicine, drug and the many more items that are the provided by the forest. Then ecological uses. What are the ecological uses? Let's see. Production of oxygen, reducing the global warming and protection of wildlife habitat. water cycle, soil conservation, and the wind breaker. Toxic gases absorbed by the plants, even absorb the noise. That is are the ecological importance and the commercial importance. We can see there are number of commercial. Here are the mentioned very little one importance from the forest. Major forest product like wood. There are the major forest product. There are different type of wood produced by the plant. Most of the there are the sandalwood, pulpwood, hardwood. Okay, that are the wood uses by the human community or the human beings. The wood develop in the gymnosperm, angiosperms plants after the secondary growth. It produces due to activity of cambium. The diameter of the tree increases due to continuous addition of a secondary xylem. There are the various types of wood such as porous, non-porous, early, late, hurt, and the sapwood. Different types of wood according to their structure and composition and durability. The physical and mechanical properties of wood depends upon the xylem arrangement, relative size, quality of wood, constituent, design, wood surface, and the coloring matters. That is considered as a wood structure and wood composition. That are the major sources from the forest. Let's see minor sources. That are wood are the major sources that are the uses by the human from the forest. That may be commercial or the ecological. Let's see non-commercial sources or the sources which having the minor requirement from the forest or the forest produces in a minimum or the low amount their production. That is one as the minor sources. First, gums disintegration of tissue. Gums are the disintegration of tissue and the decomposition of cellulose. The processes of gummosis. Gum arabica obtained from the Acacia nigal, Acacia nilotica trees. Gum are the tragacanth obtained from the Astrangancy gummifers. Carria gum obtained from the Stericularia sahajanandan. Gum obtained from the Moringa oleifera. That are different types of gum obtaining from their plant sources are given here. Let's see resin. Resin is nothing but resin represent the oxidation product of various essential oils. Resin are secreted at a special gland associated with the oil and the gums. They are a group three categories. First, hard resin that include the copal resin used in varnishes and the furniture polishes. Then Damera oleoraceae include the turpentine like a Canada balsam, and the balsam is a highly aromatic gum of a resin mixture of a resin. Then tannins. Tannins is nothing but phenolic compound, mainly are the glucosidal produced from the secondary products. Tannins are from the baobab, mangroves, arjun barks. Papers. Raw material of pulp for the paper industry, wood, bamboo, cypress, butela, eucalyptus. That is nothing but the different plant sources. From their minor product are the extracted or the formation can be done. Let's see the past resources of a forest. Past. Before the forest formation, there are the past resources. Peat, coal, and the lignite or the petroleum like product are the prepare from that past. That means if there are the no forest there before the forest formation, past resources are there. That is considered as the past. In that peat is nothing but the formation of decomposition of green vegetables or the green plants accumulated in the box and the swamp. The swamp box and swamp, that may be a soil layer, liquid soil layer, that is considered as the swamp. Coal, it is nothing but fossilized fuels that obtained from the mining processes. That is the coal, that is the petroleum, oil, or the anything. Then causes of deforestation. I think there is no need of explanation about the deforestation. Deforestation, that means cutting or the destroying of forest or the forest number will be a decreases. That is considered as a deforestation. Okay, so deforestation, that means cutting, and we are very well know how the forest are the cutting and what purpose they are cutting. So that are the included the deforestation. With the world growing of at a pace of a hard to the match, increasing the need of a space, turning out the area of concern with a disparate need of land, agriculture, industrial, and the most important urban needs that contain the cities and their growing population. A direct action that have come recognized as deforestation. Deforestation occurs simple terms as the felling and the clearing of a forest covers or the tree plantation in order to accommodate the agriculture, industries, and the urban use. It involves the permanent end of the forest covers and make the land available for residential, commercial, or the industrial purpose. That are the main reason of a deforestation. That means the urbanization of area. That may be agriculture started in that area. That may be industry or the any things that human get a consumption or the human get a commercial use. That is considered as a deforestation. There is a totally end of a forest, that is considered as a deforestation. And we all are familiar of the causes of deforestation. First, conversion of forest for the land for the other land use, including the pearl, palm, and the soy plantation, pasture, settlement, road, and the infrastructure. That is the conversion of forest into different types of lands. That may be land for the roads, land for the construction. There are different uses we can consider. Then forest fire. The number of trees sizes will be increases. Forest fire will be there, and due to forest fire, entire forest burn and the forest in that area will be lost. Each year fire burn of millions of a hectare of forest in worldwide. Fire are the part of the nature but degrade the forest, particularly vulnerable. These are the include the heavily log rainforest, forest on the peat soils where the forest fire have been suppressed for the year of allowing the unnatural accumulation of vegetation that make the fire burn and more intensely. The resulting loss had a wide reaching consequence on a biodiversity, climate, and the economy. Another example would be a forest blaze. Hundreds of trees are lost each year due to the forest fires and a various proportion of the world. These happen due to extreme warm summer and the milder winters. Fire, whether the caused by the man or the nature, result in a huge loss of forest covers. That is considered as a forest fire. Then illegal unsaturated logging. Illegal logging occurs in all type of forest across the continent from the Brazil to Indonesia, destroying the nature and the wildlife, taking away community livelihoods or the destroying the trade. Illegally harvested wood find way into the major consumption of markets such as US, European Unions, which further fuel the cycles. That means the thipping process also here we can consider that is a illegal unsuitable harvesting or the unsuitable logging. That means without any permission, without any use, that forest will be cut, that wood will be supplied to the markets, and that are overall country, that means from the Brazil to Indonesia. For that purpose, destroying of forest will be done, and that wood will be observed in the US and the European Unions, and that may be a different use. First maybe they can be used for the fuel, they can use for the furniture making. There are different uses, but that are the reason behind the destroying the forest. Then fuel wood harvesting. Over harvesting for the domestic use or a commercial trades, charcoal significantly damage the forest. There are different types of sources, depends on the forest. So over harvesting, that may be wood are the harvested for the different purpose, for the mostly we consider as a fuel, mostly consider as a charcoal preparation, Okay, we have know that is the most of the trains are the work on the charcoal industry are work on the charcoals, so they are needed to the charcoals, and preparation of charcoals it can be done by the burning of a wood. So that are the most important resources. Then mining, we also know that is what is mining. In previous lecture I have explained mining, it is nothing but the extracted the geological content, that is considered as a mining. That be geological content, that may be oils, petroleum, ether, or the any beneficial compound extracted from the earth crust or the earth surface by a physically, that is considered as a mining. Then climate change, it is also main important reason. Nowadays pollution are increasing and the climate also changing. Climate changing, it is responsible due to the forest lost. Because of earlier time there are number of forests, and so there is a raining also more, and nowadays forest number will be reduces, so raining behavior also be reduces. Sometimes we see the rain in the winter or the summer, and winter may be a summer in the winter may be seen in the summer or the rainy season also. That is due to the change in a climate, and the change in a climate, it is also responsible to development of some plants, animals, and due to changes that plants and animals get die, and ultimately forest will be destroying, or their number will be reducing. Then agriculture activity, we are familiar to the farmers and the farming lives. We know that the before the agriculture start, here are the forest and the cutting of forest activities. Number of a commercial crop cultivation can be done by the cutting and the destroying the forest, and there will be cultivation of a commercial agriculture crop, that may be maize, wheat, soybean, cotton. There are number of plants we can cultivate. Logging, it is nothing but a part of from this wood-based industries like paper, matchsticks, furnitures need a sustainable wood supply, and wood is used as a fuel both directly or indirectly. Firewood and the charcoal are the example of wood being used by fuels, and some of these industries are the thrive illegal wood cutting and the felling of trees. Previously, I have explained that content, and that are here also given. The number of industry depends upon the wood for its fuels as well as the raw materials or the anything, and the charcoals are the main fuel sources for the industries. Then effect of deforestation, there are the number of effect we can see or the experience the effect of a deforestation. What happened due to the deforestation, that means cutting down the forest, trees, and the number of wildlife destroying, that is considered as a deforestation. First first impact or the first effect on deforestation, that is climate imbalance. Deforestation also affect the climate more than the one ways. That is the one way I have explained. Climate imbalance, that means a climate before forest number is more, there are the proper climate. In rainy season rain are there, in a winter season there cold are there, and in summer season temperature are there. But due to the climate change, but due to the forest cutting, there are the climate will be a imbalance. There is no proper timing of temperature, no proper timing of cold, no proper timing of rain. So that are the first impact. Then second, increase the global warming, that are the most issue now are facing our generation, that is a global warming. Trees play important role in the controlling the cooling temperature of the earth surface, but forests are cutting due to temperature are increasing, and so we have to face, that is a global warming. Then soil erosion, it is the most important. Due to the trees or the forest, soil erosion or the soil will be protected, but if soil plant will be cut, their soil will be a erode. That are it erode, that means loss their character, loss their property, or loss soil will be a damage due to the deforestation. Then floods is the important sources. When it rains, tree absorb and a large amount of water, with the help of their roots. If there are the plants are present in the or the forest is present when raining are there, and that plants in the forest that absorb the water with the help of root, but due to deforestation there is no anything for the absorbing water, so that water comes under to rivers, lakes and ocean, and we have to face the problems like floods. Wildlife extinction, we have known that a number of species are the extinct or the destroying due to the deforestation, because that wildlife also that habitat of that forest that cannot be control or the cultivate in our area, like any plants we can cultivate in the garden, but all type of plants and animals do not have a habitat we can maintain, so that is considered as a wildlife extinction along with the forest destroying. Then forest conservation, how we can conserve the forest. There are the 6 steps of conservation. We have to create a awareness related the forest important, like celebrating the festivals related forest, like one Mahotsav every years in rainy seasons. Then increasing the forest area, afforestation, planting of trees of wasteland and the land lying idols, the stopping the felling of immature trees. While the felling of mature trees, attention should be given not damaging any neighboring trees. A regular measure of should taken to protect of the forest from diseases and the forest fire by spraying the necessary insecticide and cleaning the dry leaves and the branches. That are the some steps are involved in a conservation. In the dry season, when the branches of a leaves trees become very dry, winds blowing through the forest, that causes these are the dry twigs, leaves much leaves to the brush against each other waves to and fro along wine dry stony surface, creating the sparks which quickly kindles and the forest fires. Once the forest fire start, it become the consuming not only the dry leaves, twigs, it's but also leaf trees and animals. Intensity and the duration of forest fires depends on the shape of the forest, direction of wind, and the speed. Forest fire may be also start because the human negligence, lighting, and the factors. To control the forest fires, many countries have a voluntary organization. India has taken number of steps of forest conservation. In India, fire brigades etc. copes with which calamities which occurs often summers or the Chotangapur plateau. Recently, satellites have been used to detect the control the forest fires. Often, the spraying the water foams from the motor vehicles and the helicopters. Light panels are needed for the conservation of forest, save the human beings. That is nothing but some conservation techniques, and why need to do the conservation here are given. For the conservation of forest, following steps can be taken. That is nothing but the steps we have to use to conservation forest. Conservation forest is a national problem, so it must be tackled with a perfect coordination between the forest department and the other department. People participate the conservation forest is of vital importance, so we can must and get the involved in this national task. The cutting of trees forest must be a stop at all cost. The cutting of trees in the forest must be a stop at all cost. Afforestation or the special program like One Mahotsav should be launched on a grand scale. Celebration of all function of festival should be preceded with a tree plantation. Cutting of a timber, other forest produce should be restricted. Grassland should be regenerated. Forest Conservation Act should be applied 1980. Several centers excellence have set up and awards should be instituted. Then which are the afforested program? First is the social forestry program. Trees are the grown public or the common land benefit the rural the community. Trees are the raise fuel the food fodder and the fruit. The program are aimed at reducing the demand of a existing forest. Agroforestry program. It is a aim to the ancient practice using the same land or the farming of a forest, animal husbandry. Urban forestry program. The aim to the project of a fruit trees and the ornamental plants areas are in the private components. Then production of a plantation. It involves trees needed the industry and the specific areas. Reserve forest. We have to reserve the forest, conserve that forest by in the form of a reserve. There is a hunting or the using of a forest will be a using of forest product will be a inhibited. A special function like a tree plantation, many institutional agency like World Bank, US Agency of International Development, the NCIDA, SIDA, we have to run. In another concept, that is silviculture, has been widely accepted science forest farming. Three basic operation: regeneration, tending and harvesting of the forest. A series of a treatment. Silviculture system may be defined as process of the crop constitute the forest tended remove the replace of crop, resulting which refer only the methods of raising of forest and their care up to be harvested. That is considered as a silviculture. Then energy plantation. What is meant by energy plantation? How energy plantation will be take place? Technically speaking, energy plantation means growing, select the species of a tree and shrubs which are the harvestable and the comparable short times and specifically made for the fuels. The fuel wood may be used either the directly wood burning stores, and there are number of energy production sources are given here. Then social forestry. Social forestry may be defined as the science and art growing of trees and outside traditional forest areas and managing like a existing forest with the intimate involvement of the peoples more or the less integrated with the other operating result and the balanced complementary land used to view the provide the range of good services and individual as well as a society. Then farm forestry. At present, almost all country social forestry programs have been taken. Both commercial and non-commercial farm forestry being promoted on one farm to the other farm. Individual farmer are being the encouraged to the plant trees. So that is farm forestry program also we have to run. Then next there is a community forestry. Another scheme of a social forestry program is raising trees by the community land and not a private land as a farm forestry. Farm forestry that is considered as a, in the private land or the farmer owner land that can be a planted tree. Community that means specific community, specific continent, specific state, specific taluka, specific community are there, and you should be aware that community for planting of trees. Then extension forestry. The plantation of trees sides the roads, canals, railways along the planting on the wasteland is known as a extension forestry. So that is extension forestry also needed. Then agroforestry, planting of trees on and the ground agriculture boundaries and the marginal private lands in a combination with the agriculture crop is known as a agroforestry. Forest and peoples. The historical relationship forest, the history of a human existence of civilization intervene that is forest and the trees. Forest and the human relation is from the ancient times and it is always dependent to each other. So if human use large amount of a tree, that different types of sources will be reduces in the forest, and if forest will be increases, human need to the human race to the resources will be reduced. Every one of the 7 billions of each connected forest contribution is balance the oxygen carbon dioxide humidity air over the 40% of old oxygen produced from the rainforest. A tree releases the 8 to 10 times more moistures into the atmospheres and protect the watersheds which supply the fresh water to the river, critical sources of water drink and the use our daily lives. And we know that the healthy forest sustain the healthy peoples. If forests are well growing, that peoples also should be a healthy. We have facing the problems of diseases near to the cities, but in the problems near to the villages or the near to the foresters, there are the no any diseases, no any problems arises. There are number of facts. Over the 1.6 billion people's livelihood depends on the forest. That is nothing but how forest are the depends, and that are the fact. It is not only the statement, that is the real fact. Then trade in the forest product is estimated that is 327 billions in 2004. Then 80% of world forest publicly owned, but ownership and management of forest community individual private companies on the rise. 30% of forest production of wood and non-wood production, that will be a fact. The annual value of wood removed from the forest estimated at the 100 billions. That is not only the statement, that is a real fact. Then J and JFM, that is joint forest management. It is the emerging importance of intervention of management of forest resources in many parts of India. Small villages groups have started the projects protect and reclaim the degrade forest land through collective actions. The JFM program seeks to the development of a partnership between the local community and institution and the state forest department for the sustainable management and the joint benefit sharing public forest land. The primary objective of JFM to ensure the sustainable use of a forest and meet the local need it is equitable, ensuring the environmental sustainable, and the central promises is that a local woman men who are the dependent on the forest have been a greatest stake of a sustainable development. Biodiversity and protected India has a 2356 known species of amphibians, birds, animals, reptiles according to figure from the World Conservation Monitoring Center. These are the 18.4% are the endemic and 10.8% are the threatened, and 18,664 species are vascular plant. 26.8% are the endemic, and 4.9% of India are protected under the INCNs. Methods of use to the protecting or the presenting the forest wildlife. There are different types. Government and various projects like a tiger project, Rihano projects, government action also there. Okay, this is about the first chapter related to the forest and its conservation. If you have any doubts, please comment below the section.